Good morning, students. How are you? Fine, thank you. In the before class, we learned India political lesson. The continuity class, before the topic central government was completed. What central government? This central government to rule the whole of the country. What can it do? Is to protect the people and look after the law and order and see the welfare of the people, and the central government to perform so many welfare activities and welfare programs to the welfare of the people. Before we told, India is a large country. Millions of people is there. It is difficult to the central government to rule all over the country. It is difficult or not? It's difficult. It is difficult to one central government to rule all over the country and take the law and order to the corner of the country. This is very difficult to do one central government. That's the reason we divided India in small parts, small areas. That's why India is divided in small areas. What the small areas? The small areas are known as states. Good. The small areas are known as states. Look at the map. In India, and this India is divided into small areas, or Andhra Pradesh, like that. These such states, India is divided into smaller areas. Those are states. We have 28 states. And 8 union territories. 28 states and 8 union territories. We divide. Then India is divided in small areas. Those are known as states. States are ruled by. Those are the small areas are there. Those are states. This state is ruled by the central government. Country is ruled by the central government. The state is ruled by the state government. State government. State government is located in the state capital. In our Andhra Pradesh, state capital is Amaravati. Amaravati is the state capital of the state. In this state, we have formation of the state government is governor, chief minister, state ministers, and other ministers. The governor, chief minister, state minister, and other ministers are located in the state capital. In this state capital, what can they? They do the welfare of the people and protect the law and order in our country. Who is the governor of Andhra Pradesh? Anybody know? Governor of Andhra Pradesh, Viswabhushan Harichandan. Sri Viswabhushan Harichandan Garu is the present governor of Andhra Pradesh. Chief Minister, all are we known. Yes, Sri Jagan Mohan Reddy Garu is the Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, and other state ministers and other ministers. They are all located in the capital city of the state, and they can rule whole of the state. We have how many states we have? 28 states, 8 union territories. These are the states are ruled by state government, and union territories are ruled by. What are the union territories? Union territories means these union territories are under the control of the central government, directly under the control of the central government. These are called union territories. We have 8 union territories and 28 states. These 28 states and their capitals, union territories and their capitals. If we have textbooks in our class, list is there. All of you learn that and by heart that states and capitals. All of you say that. And if you lack of books, go for the Google search and see the list of the states and their list of the states of India and its capitals, and must and should you should learn. I should learn by heart that. In the out of the 28 states, largest state is Rajasthan. Largest state Rajasthan. Smallest state Goa. Largest state Rajasthan. Smallest state Goa. And these out of the 8 union territories, largest union territory is Andaman Nicobar Island. Where it is? It is Bay of Bengal. Smallest union territory is Lakshadweep. Where it is? Arabian Sea. Largest union territory is Andaman Nicobar Islands. Smallest union territory is Lakshadweep. This is the India political divisions. But in this political division, we should learn another topic. Those are diversity. All of you hear the before lesson and in this lesson, we have a certain opinion. India has some natural features. India has natural features. So many natural features. What are they? Natural features. Yes, mountains, oceans, deserts, hills, valleys, forests. Those are the natural features India has. In these natural features, all of these natural features variate the human life, human living style. Variate the human living style. Some places are too hot, some places are too cold, and some places are plenty of rain is there, and some places are little bit of rain. The variation of these weather conditions, or earth surface, or climate changes, all of these are affects the human life. The human lifestyle is various in variation in our India. What the reasons? Whatever the reason, climate is there, earth surface is there, and the living style is there. What variate the people? Those are the very. People has so many differences between us. Millions of people is there. Nobody is anybody is the same. No. Everyone is separate. Everyone is separate. What people were separating their lifestyle, eating habits, religions, languages, eating habits, dressing style. All the people have the same dressing style? No. Other pupils are having different styles. Lifestyle is different, and eating habits are different. Different eating habits are there, and religions are different. In India, so many religions is there. So many religions of people is there, and languages are different. In our state, which language is our mother tongue? Telugu is our mother tongue. In Telangana, Telugu is our mother tongue. In Tamil Nadu, Tamil is their mother tongue, and different language. Then Kerala is Malayalam is their mother tongue. In so many countries and so many languages, so many states and so many languages are there, so many religions are there, so many eating habits are there, and lifestyle, dressing, all of these are the different from. These are all of these reasons human being in our India having diversity. These are diversity. Diversity means భిన్నత్వం. ఏది అందరూ సేమ్ ఉండరు, భిన్నత్వం. రకరకాల డ్రెస్సింగ్ స్టైల్ ఉన్న వాళ్ళు, లైఫ్ స్టైల్ ఉన్న వాళ్ళు, ఈటింగ్ హ్యాబిట్స్ ఉన్న వాళ్ళు, రకరకాల రిలీజన్కి సంబంధించిన వాళ్ళు అందరూ కలిసి కలిసి ఇండియాలో నివసిస్తుండగా దానిని ఏమంటారంటే, ఇండియాని ఏమని పిలుస్తారంటే ల్యాండ్ ఆఫ్ డైవర్సిటీ. డూ యూ అండర్స్టాండ్ ద ల్యాండ్ ఆఫ్ డైవర్సిటీ? డైవర్సిటీ మీన్స్ భిన్నత్వం. different lifestyles is there. Different based on these reasons, India has land. India is called land of diversity. Land of diversity. If in our country, any diversity is there. Any diversity is there. Land of diversity, but we have unity. Unity among us. Unity is there among us. We love all of us love our country. We respect our mother tongue. We respect our motherland. We are all belongs to the India. We are very proud to be an Indian. So whatever the diversity, we are living the diversity of the country, but we have unity as there. Yeah? Okay, this is the India political lesson. Okay, this is the India political lesson. The lesson is completed. Okay. Please learn this lesson and use the textbooks. Go through the textbooks and to better understand. Okay, thank you.